Here's the after picture. This is across the street. All right, Villanova. Now here's the place. Had 4 feet of water inside. Holy smokes! Looks like a 1700s type. This'll scare you to death. Doing a clean out. Hollywood. All right, brace yourself. All right, this is. Oh man. This is what 4 feet of water will do to a house. This is what happens when the bank turns off the electricity, so the sump pumps don't work anymore. Holy smokes. Oops. What are you doing to my house? Stop! Oh my gosh. You people ruined it.